Why are you a TriboTEX enthusiast?
Oh, yeah, exactly, Carl. I mean, at TriboTEX, I think, it can immediately tell the difference in efficiency from just mileage. I mean, I'm a musician by trade, so, I travel all around the state. When I put TriboTEX in my vehicle, I can immediately see the difference. Not only just mileage difference, but also just in the engine noise. It was just dramatic. And I think that's something that it's really neat. I'm a Rover guy. I've had the Freelander before this one, and then the LR2 before Range Rover. So I immediately got hit to TriboTEX about a year and a half ago. I mean, just barely when it was in its inception, right? So I put it in my LR2 first. And it was a higher mileage Land Rover, and I could not believe the difference. So immediately when I saw the difference, when I was ready to upgrade, even the dealership told me, wow, you've taken great care of your engine. And I told them, I go, well, I didn't say that I've used TriboTEX, but it was such a difference that they gave me a higher trade-in value when I got my new Range Rover. So I knew immediately it was because of TriboTEX.
Talk to me about putting TriboTEX in this vehicle.
Right when I got it, immediately I called you.
Yeah.
That's how serious I was about this product and about TriboTEX. Right when I got this new rig, I said, Carl, I'm coming to Pasco. I need to buy a tube of TriboTEX. Sure enough, that was the first thing I did, and I recommend it to every single person out there that is looking to get more mileage from your rig, and also looking to take care of your car. It's not only about taking care on the outside, but it's about taking care on the inside, and TriboTEX does that.